How to draw snowman. Start with drawing a medium-sized circle. Then draw an oval. Then erase the line inside it. Draw the hat, as shown. Then erase the line inside it. Draw the muffler. Then erase the line inside it. Draw the lines on the muffler. Draw a circle for the body. Then draw the hands. Then erase the line inside it. Draw the eyes. Then draw the nose. Draw the mouth, as shown. At last, color the snowman. Here is the finished drawing of the snowman.